Hello, I'm Richard Weinstein, and I'm going to be exploring today the Godox MF12 portable flash kit. These are brilliant for macro photography and all comes beautifully wrapped up in this nice little case. So let's see what's in the kit. All nice and neat. We've got two beautiful MF12 little flashes. We've got our lens ring, and these allow the units to rotate beautifully around the lens. What's good is a whole stack of adapter rings, and this is the full range of lens millimeters, something for everyone to suit the lenses, and that matches up with your lens diameter. A whole set of color gels, color temperature effects, and also gel effect sets. So these are also really nice to play with. You've also got these cold shoe adapter, attaches into the bottom bracket. Godox have included this close-up positioning adapter, and it just fits really easily over the front of the flash, clicks in and allows you to really get in close for that macro photography. What I love about the MF12 kit is it comes with this unique adapter ring. So this is how it works. It's got a little push panel, the adapter ring. You just attach your lights till you hear the click, and then you have this rotational flexibility. So once this is attached to the camera, your lights can be rotated to different angles and can also be tilted and swiveled. This can take up to 6 lights, 2 lights in this kit. So yeah, it's interesting. So it's been raining for a couple of weeks in Sydney, so I decided to take what I usually shoot outdoors and bring it into the studio. So I've just popped a plant, and I have found some beautiful butterflies that I thought would be a lovely subject to play with some macro lighting. So I've got a macro lens on the camera today. I'm working with the Canon 35mm and just setting up the composition. Macro photography is a wonderful genre to explore and practice your lighting techniques, but it is quite challenging to get light into the subject when you're working so close, and that's why I think these MF12s are going to give us a beautiful result. I always like to start off with one light and get my main direction. The ring is designed in a beautiful way that it's very easy just to rotate and slightly change the angle. The macro lights also has the flexibility of tilting, and this is going to give you a slightly different lighting effect. And I've got a little purple gel on just for color effect, add a bit of drama. And I'm just doing a few variations where I'm just tilting and using the angle adjusting feature. This is going to give slightly different results as the direction and the angle of the flash starts increasing texture and getting a slightly different quality of light hitting your subject. When you're happy with your first light's angle, then it's time to turn on the second flash and again experiment using different angles and positions of the flash adding the extreme close-up positioning adapter features specifically designed slope structure, and this helps to illuminate inwards and light up the narrow space right before the lens. This is often an area where it's too close to be focused, so this is especially suitable for shooting extreme close-up subjects. It's good to experiment now with a few different angles, and again there's just nice clicks to get angle adjusting pretty accurate and consistent. Besides being compact and powerful, these MF12s have a really fast recycling time. They also have a lithium rechargeable battery, which pretty much lasted the whole day and gave me lots and lots of power. The gel sets included in the MF12 are really excellent, and they slide into adapters pretty easily and just click on to the front of the flashes. So these color gels are going to allow you to correct light sources, give special effects, and there's a whole range of different colors and effect gels which you can try. I want to really give this little setup lots of drama, so I've chosen the red. And again, just do some experimentation using one flash at a time. This is going to really help you learn what each light is doing and give you a lot of options when it comes to creating unusual and dramatic lighting effects. So I've popped a red gel onto my backlight. I'm looking for jungle night and lots of drama, a little bit of purple coming in from the side, and then just a soft fill. I'm setting up for my second setup, and I'm looking to just document the range of butterflies that I've been collecting, looking to go in a lot closer and just get really good detail of the textures, the colors, and all the fine hairs coming off these little insects. I've got a 2-light setup to start, and I've decided to use my close-up adapters. These give a really nice quality for this type of macro work. And then you can start to play and experiment with adjusting the intensity and brightness of each light source. So I'm going to start with one light, and my first exposure is going to be at the maximum tilt. And this takes it all the way back, a lot more even, slightly different effect. And my second light also has the close-up adapter. Having a third light off camera at a really low angle is going to bring up a lot of texture that's happening along the wings. I've noticed there's lots of bumps and ridges, and I think a low light with a hard directional light source is really going to help me bring up that type of detail. seeing that it has more drama, a little bit more dramatic. Because it's a yellow butterfly, I really want to kind of contrast the light with a purple or a dark blue. Lots of options. These are beautiful little sets. They just pop into the little holders. These just pop onto the side. Everything's so plug and play, easy to work with, really light. And that is also a big consideration for me when you're hanging a lot of weight off your lens and off your camera mounts. So another big advantage is having something nice and light. All right, let's see how this is going to work out. I do want to still bring in a little bit of fill, so I am going to bring back my side lights just to bring up the shadows, but still retaining that mood. Look at that, just absolutely beautiful capture and portrayal of this interesting little insect.